To measure metacarpophalangeal extension range of motion using a goniometer, the patient is seated with the upper extremity supported on the table. The wrist and hand are in a neutral position. During the measurement, the axis of the goniometer is aligned with the dorsum of the metacarpophalangeal joint to be tested. The stationary arm is aligned with the dorsal midline of the metacarpal, and the moving arm is aligned with the dorsal midline of the proximal phalanx.
Mr. Barnes, I'm going to measure how much you can move your finger using this device. When I ask you to, I want you to move this finger up this way and hold it there. Now move your finger up, hold it there,